Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in my previous video, we were facing one issue with while using the case summarization option, right? So I have fixed that, and now we are going to test it. So I have impersonated Tammy as one of the user, and this is one of the HR case. So this is one of the HR total reward case. So what we can do instead, I will type HR case. Let me go here and let me say HR case. I will open assign to me. Let me close these tabs. Okay, so I have this dental inquiry, direct deposit, and this notify payroll of employee leave status. Okay, so if I click on this summarize option, so you can see it is telling me the issue, that what is the issue, what all key actions taken, and what was the service level agreement. Okay, and similarly if I go say if I try to close completed, you can see that some work notes are available, and if I click on skip notes, nothing will happen, right? If I go here, nothing will happen. And here you can see that that it we are getting this message that be sure to check the AI generated summary for the accuracy, because you know that that the AI is generating the data based upon some data which is provided to the system for the learning purpose. So if that data was inaccurate, that means your result will be inaccurate. So that's why you have observed that whenever you use AI, it always says that please where that the content generated by AI may be incorrect, so please validate it. And additionally, if I say let me change the state again to close complete, and here also you can see that we are getting this icon which indicates that this is now assist AI icon. And if I click on add notes, so whatever resolution notes are which were generated by system with the help of GenAI will be will be added as a work notes, right? Similarly, if I go to this payroll case and click on summarize, so it is telling me the issue, that what is the issue. And if I try to change the state to work in progress, also say to close complete, it is providing me work notes saying that informed Rick that the number of accounts allowed for direct deposit on the specific terms of their account agreement, and advise them to review their account details. And if so, we have option to change this content as well. Okay, and then we can add notes as well. Okay, so this is how resolution notes can be added from this native UI. Okay, similarly, if I go to workspace, HR agent workspace, and let me open this particular HR case. So this is for HR portal support request for Chai. And if I click on summarize, because I do not want to check the history, what all discussions were going on. So it says HR portal support request for Chai involves validation of employee portal access, permission, and troubleshooting technical issues with a checklist created and assigned to the HRSM. Okay. Similarly, if I change the state to close complete, you can see that work notes are also populated. Okay, so this is, and now I can add notes as well. So these are added. Okay, so now you know that. Okay, I'm just helping you to re-summarize that how to activate or configure the skills. So I will end the impersonation, and I will come back to as an admin. And if I go to now assist admin, click on overview. Okay, let me use this now assist icon as well. So let me open this HR case here. So if I use this option here, let's see what it says. Okay, get help, update the HR case. Okay, that is fine because we don't have any skill at the moment for this one. Just fine. So yeah, so if I go to the overview, so you know that whenever you need to activate any new AI skill or create any new skill, you need to come to the Now Assist Admin console, go to the relevant workflow. So we did it for employee workflow. So we have this HRSD here. You can see we have for journeys also we have, for knowledge article also we have. So let me activate the knowledge article this time. So if I go here, activate a skill. So we have inputs like based upon short description, close notes, work notes, additional comments. We'll be generating the KB articles. So I need to first change my scope to now assist for HR service delivery. Save and continue. Okay, it says default knowledge base for this. Let's select this like human resource general HR case. Save and continue. We need to define the availability. So its availability is like only for those HR cases where status close complete. Save and continue. So where you want. So let me select both. And HR basic role is needed to access this, which is fine. We can review how will it work, what all input data is needed to generate the KV article, what is the role needed, what is the availability. Fine, I will activate it. Return to the knowledge. Fine. Now I will impersonate one of the HR agent. So I will impersonate Tammy, who is one of the HR professional having HR basic role. And now I need okay. So now what I will do, I will go here and I will look for HR cases which are closed. So I will go for the closed ones. Okay, so we have this closed one. Okay, let me first do it in the backend in this native UI, then we will do it in the workspace as well. So here you can see that we have this option like create knowledge. So if I click on create knowledge, so what type of article do you want to create? So we can select the knowledge base, and then it is asking us to select the template. So we will select the standard and we will click on create article. And it says use AI to draft article. Yes, I will select yes. So it is drafting the article. So you can see that information is populated and source stars is that particular HR case, right? So we can review the information, and after review the information, we can click on the submit. And here you can see one information message saying that this article was drafted by NowAssist. Be sure to review it for the accuracy before saving. Okay, so if you have reviewed it, you can submit it. So this is how, with the help of NowAssist capability, which is like article creation, we can generate the article. So you can see that knowledge article has been created, saved as a draft and attached to the task record. So if I go here, scroll down. Okay, so here you can see attached article, attached knowledge. Okay. Similarly, if I go to this agent workspace, go to the list and look for the closed ones. Let me take I need to look for the closed ones. Okay, so let me take this 401k retirement plan, and if I click here, yeah, I can see this create knowledge option. Click on this create knowledge option. It will ask you for the knowledge base. We can select the knowledge bases, select the template and click on create article. So if you want to write by yourself, you can select no, write it by myself. If you want AI to draft it, so select just AI. Yes, draft with NowAssist. So you can see that it is drafted. Okay, information is populated. And if you are happy with the information, then you can simply save. So this is how we can generate the KB articles with the help of NowAssist. Okay. So in this video, you have learned one more thing, that how to activate and configure this KB article, this article generation skill, how to activate it and publish it. Okay. And if you want to check the technical implementation of it, you can right click. You need to end the impersonation first. Go to the HR case record and do right click, configure UI actions, create knowledge. So this comes with NowAssist for HRSD plugin, and here what they are doing. So they have some condition. So it says new HR AI knowledge util. So this util is checking whether user can create a knowledge article or not. If that condition is passed, then only that button appears. And then you can see they have this function, like with the help of glide model API, they are calling this UI page. And in that UI page, they are setting the preference like case ID, table name, and color. And then once it is rendered, they are calling another app. They are making a glide ajax call to kb generation ajax, and they are calling this can use template. And so this is how you can check. You can explore this script to get the more insight about the technical implementation. Okay, I will be coming up with one more video for the technical implementation as well, in which I will be discussing about the important script includes and important roles or tables, which about which we should be knowing, so that we can say either we know that what all things we need to change, which all things we need to reuse, so that we are not reinventing the wheel. Instead, we are extending the existing capabilities. So I hope you find this video more you find this video informative. And so yeah, thank you everyone. I will be coming up with more videos for this series where we are exploring the now assist capabilities, agentic AI capabilities, and much more related to AI. Thank you everyone.